To use a Bookmarks on a Bluesky app, first you will need to download a Bluesky Bookmarks app for the browser that you're using, and easiest way to do it is on Chrome or any other browser that supports a Chrome extensions. So look for the Chrome Web Store and find Bluesky Bookmarks and then add it to your browser. Now you will see it right here in the extension. In this case, I'm using Opera GX, and when we click on it, we'll be able to see all of the bookmarks that we've made on Bluesky. Now let me show you how to actually mark them as a bookmarks. So as you can see in the homepage, there's no button to add them to bookmarks, but if we click on the specific post, then we can click right here on this flag. That way, when we go back to this extension, we'll be able to see this post in the bookmark, but some of them, as you can see right here, are hidden, and that is basically everything.